You have bought lots of brightening products and it's not working for you. Your skin is not even brightening in any ramification. You have watched a lot of skin influencers on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, on YouTube talk about this particular product and you go ahead to buy it and yet your skin refuses to brighten up. The reason why your skin is not brightening up or your skin is not glowing up is because of the way you are using the products. Yes, the reason or the cause why your skin is not brightening up is not because of the product, but the reason is you. Hi, my loves. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a favorite girl, Amarachi Favy. And if today is the very first day I see me on your screen, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Amarachi Favy with the beautiful face and the beautiful skin. And if today is the very first day you're coming across this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. As my subscribers, they know that they get the value of what they subscribed for. And remember to turn on the notification bell so you get notified once I upload a new video. Over here, we talk about skincare. I am so passionate about, helping you to achieve a good skin. And I'm so passionate about women, okay? So if you're a woman, this is the channel that you should lock in with. So in this very video, I'm going to be telling you why those brightening products that you have bought that are in your skincare stash are not working for you. Listen, this 2026, we should not be wasting money buying products, doing trial and error. Rather, we should already know the products that are already suitable for our skin and already giving our skin what our skin needs. There is no money for us to waste this year. So you are going to watch this video from the beginning till the end so that you will spot the reason why those products that you already have are not working for you. I am not going to tell you to go and buy new products. No, I am going to tell you the reason why they are not working so that you would make them to work. So the very first reason why your skincare products that promises to brighten your skin are not working for you is because you are impatient, okay? If you are patient enough, you would have a brighter skin. I keep telling people when they meet me, they'll be like, Amarachi Favy, how did you do it? I want to have your skin. You want to have the kind of skin I have in 1 week. How is it possible? I built this glow that you are seeing, like how someone builds a house. A house was not built in a day, and that is how I have built this skin. I have invested so much on this skin and I've stayed consistent, stayed loyal on products that I've used, okay, and I've kept using them. In fact, I'm going to make a detailed video of the products that I'm using this 2026 so that you will see that some of the products I am still using are the products I have been using. If you're an OG, you would know. But one thing with you people, or some of you, is that you don't want to be patient. Once you get the serum and you use it for 1 week and you do not see the brightening, the lightening, the effect, you will just keep it one side and then go to the market the next day and then complain that, oh, I bought this serum and it's not working. Why will it work when you are not patient? Why will it work when you are not patient? Most of us are very, very patient when we are ill or sick. The doctors will tell you what to eat, will tell you what to drink, and you'll be drinking and be taking your medication and also be eating well. But whenever it comes to skincare, you expect an overnight result. Why? Why? Like, why is this so? So what I'm trying to say is that you're going to be patient. And once you're not patient, that brightening, that lightening, whatever that it claims to do, will never work for you, okay? So carry a cloth of patience and sew it this 2026 and put it on, okay? You are going to use that product for at least some days at least, a month or two for you to start seeing good results. You don't just want to have this kind of skin that I'm having in 1 week. It's not gonna work. If I come here to tell you, oh, you're going to have this kind of skin in 1 week, I'm lying. The second reason why those brightening products is not working for you is because you do not even believe that there is something called sunscreen. Most people don't believe that they need sunscreen. In this 2026, you do not use sunscreen. And then most of you use, but you use it inconsistently. Please, marry your sunscreen. Get a good sunscreen that has a very broad spectrum and also that contains 50 SPF and above, and always reapply your sunscreen when necessary. Nigeria is already too hot for you not to be protecting your skin from the harmful UV ray. Sometime last month I got sunburned here, okay, on my hand. I'm actually going to talk about the routine that I used to treat it, but before I go into that in another video, I knew how hard it was for me to get rid of it, for my skin to blend in. You don't want your skin to be burnt by the sun. So please get a sunscreen and apply it from your head to your toe. If you know you don't have the money that you can, get the one that you can use on your face, on your body, you can get the one for body and you can get the one for face and protect your skin very, very well. So the next reason why your brightening products are not working for you is because you have dead skin cell buildup on your skin. There is no how your skin pores will be clogged, okay? You have dead skin cell living on the surface of your skin, and then you're expecting these brightening products to work. Come closer. How? Do you get? Your skin pores are closed. It's just like someone knocking at this door. The door is closed, and then I'm expecting the person to come in. How will the person come in if I do not open up the door? Do you get? So your skin pores are closed, and they're expecting the product, the brightening products per se, to penetrate into your skin and then start working. How? When the skin pores are closed, the ingredients will not penetrate into your skin to work. It cannot work. So get yourself a very good exfoliant that is targeted for your skin type. I have made videos on scrubs and chemical exfoliant that you can use on your face. So go and watch that video and learn the particular exfoliant that is suitable for your skin type. Get the exfoliant, use it to exfoliate your face, and do it the way I've mentioned, okay, for your face and your body, and you watch your skin glow up. Once your skin pores are open, then the products can sink in and then work properly. I don't want this video to be too lengthy, but once your skin pores are open, it will equal to you having a glowy skin, because those brightening products will now sink into your skin, travel deep into your skin, and then start doing its job. The next reason why your brightening products are not working for you is because your products are not effective. Yes, most of you do not read the ingredient list. What you read is what is written on the body of the product, and then the product says brightens in 2 days, brightening oil, brightening soap, brightening lotion, brightens in 14 days, quick result in 14 days, and then you go ahead to buy it. Did you go through the ingredient list? Did you see the ingredient that particular product contains? Because most of these products that promises to brighten, they do not even contain those brightening ingredients that are supposed to brighten your body. So imagine if it does not contain the ingredients, how is it supposed to work? That is why I'm saying you should really, really be patient when you're shopping for your products. Go through the ingredient list. Look out for ingredients like vitamin C. I hope you're writing it down. Niacinamide, alpha-arbutin, kojic acid, tranexamic acid, and licorice extract. Once your product contains this ingredient I listed, there is no how you are not going to brighten this 2026. There is no how you're not going to be glowing up like Amarachi Favy. In fact, my skin has been the healthiest this particular year because I have mastered the habit of reading my ingredient list and then knowing the ingredients that are supposed to do this and that for me. Okay, so please, once you're shopping, read through the ingredient list, not what is written on that label. Okay, go through the ingredient list, even if the product promises to brighten up your skin in 1 day. So the next reason why those brightening products are not working for you is inconsistency. Most of us are very, very inconsistent. In fact, I normally pair people that are impatient and inconsistent in one category. You would use a serum that promises to do a particular thing today, being Monday, and then you will not use it again till next week. Why? Do you get? Like, are you going to eat today and not eat tomorrow? Do you eat today and not eat tomorrow? So you're going to just get a very good skincare routine that would work for you. Do not make you bulky, so that you'll be able to do your skincare routine and, do it well. Do it in the morning, do it at night. There is no how you are going to be consistent and be using those products that it will not work for you. You cannot use a product on Monday this week and then use it next week and then expect it to do the wonders on your skin. It cannot work, okay? So please, tailor your skincare routines to be shorter, okay, and straight to the point so that it will work for you. So the next reason why your brightening products are not working for you is because your skin is already damaged. Most of us have damaged skin barrier, and once your skin barrier is not on check, there is no how you're gonna glow, okay? And for you to fix that, you are going to be getting products or ingredients that contains this ingredient list I'm going to give to you, so that they would help to repair your skin barrier and make your skin to, come back to what it used to be. Then your brightening products can now start working. Ingredients like ceramide, centella, glycerin, okay, would help to restore your skin barrier to be on check and also prevent your skin barrier from being broken in the first place. And also, I would like you to look out for these ingredients even when you're shopping for your brightening product. They should contain some of these ingredients I just listed now so that your skin barrier will not be broken in the first place. So the next reason why your skin is not glowing and your brightening products are not working is because you are over-exfoliating your skin. Over-exfoliation will lead to micro tears on your skin, and once your skin is already too light, too tender, your skin is not going to brighten. Rather, when your skin gets exposed to the sun, no matter the kind of coverage you're giving to your skin, it must really be attacked by the sun. Do you understand? So remember to exfoliate the way they are supposed to exfoliate. That is the reason why I said you guys should go and watch that video where I talked about exfoliation and also the products that you're supposed to need for your skin type when it comes to exfoliation. That video is so detailed, and you will pick all the information that you need from it. Okay, so please do not over exfoliate your skin. Stop over exfoliating your skin today. Over exfoliation will not lead to you glowing up. Do not mind all this thing that these skin influencers used to say on internet: exfoliate your skin, then you will now be brighter. Over exfoliation will lead to you having a dull skin. Trust me, I've been there, we have tried it, and it did not work. And I'm coming here to tell you the things that have worked for me. So the next reason why your skin is not glowing up is because your skin is dehydrated. If your skin is dehydrated, there is no how your skin can glow up. And for you to have a hydrated skin, you should look out for ingredients like aloe vera extract. Look out for ingredients like ceramide. You should look out for ingredients like shea butter that will help to moisturize your skin on the outer surface. And then you should also look out for you taking water, your water intake. Take water so that your skin will be hydrated from the inside to the outside. The next factor that is making you not to have a brighter looking skin, even though you already have brightening products in your skincare stash, is just internal factors. Okay, the way you sleep, the way you eat, the way you take care of your skin, all these tells a story on your skin, and they will not make the products to work. I did a detailed video talking about the brightening fruits, okay, that you would eat that are in Nigeria, not even the one that are outside the country, the ones in Nigeria that you can eat that would help to glow your skin from within. I would love you to watch that video as well, so that you would eat well, eat healthy, feed this body that is making the money, and you will see your skin glowing up. So the next reason why your brightening skincare products are not working for you is because you have an unrealistic expectation. The way most of you see me, you would want to just achieve my skin in one day. Is not possible. Okay, have realistic expectation. Like I said, I built this particular skin that you're seeing now for years. Okay, I did not just wake up in the morning and then I felt like, oh, I will have this particular kind of skin today. So you have to set a goal. The way you set goals in your life, you have to set your own skincare goals. By this time, I should be able to achieve this. Not you wanting to achieve everything at once. Oliver wants some more. You cannot just want to be like that. Okay, please set realistic goals, have realistic expectation. Do not buy because the person is saying, and then person said it will work in 1 month, and then in 1 month you did not see your own result, then you get tired. Most people do not see their own skincare results in 1 month. Okay, some people it takes 3 months, some people it takes 6 months. So please set realistic goals while you're getting those brightening products. So the last and the final reason why your brightening skincare products are not working for you is because you're using the wrong skincare products for your skin type. In this 2026, the one thing you should know is your skin type. Okay, once you know your skin type, you can be able to know the products that are suitable for your skin type. But once you don't know your skin type, you're going to be doing trial and error, like more or less like guesswork. So please know your skin type so that it will save you all this stress. Okay, you will know the ingredients that are suitable for your skin type. You will know the kind of product that you would use, and it will glow up your skin. You will know what to do and when to do it. So if you try out all these things I just mentioned in this video, and your skin is not glowing up with those same brightening products that you already have, then there must be a problem elsewhere. But I am definite and I'm certain that your skin will glow up if you take all these 12 instructions that I've listed in this video. If you have watched particular point of the video and you want to brighten up, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share this video, turn the notification bell so you get notified once I upload a new video on YouTube. Remember to drop a comment in the comment section telling me 1 or 2 things that you have learned from this video. And until next time, my love, stay glowy. Do not throw away your brightening products. Use them this way, and bye.